Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. And now it's time to take an advanced look of Tkinter. And in this particular video, we are talking about some widgets. So now, what is widgets? It is a components, okay, which where you can use in Tkinter and you can build your advanced UI part. Okay, so let's get started. And in this particular section, we are just creating we are just making two components, which is label and button. Okay, so first thing about the label, which is now here's the thing I wanted to mention it. This is the root dot main loop. It always put in end of the program just because of it's always looping the main. So it's looping the main function and it's combine all the things. Okay, if you are putting this main loop right now here, then this will be ignored. Okay, so if I just run it, so now you can see this is a basic Tkinter. So it is not involving this title and geometry in the Tkinter part. Okay, so this root dot main loop, it's always put in to the end of the program. Okay, so there we can just generate lot of things. Okay, so now let's talk about first label. Okay, so what is label? Label is a like text view. You can just set the text onto your Tkinter. So let's get started. So let's name as label is equal to label. Okay, and now it takes multiple parameters. You can do lot more parameters. You are passing lot more parameters. You can pass lot more parameters in label. Our first parameter, which is on text. Okay, so let's get started with text. And in the text, we can say this hello tk intro. All right, so if I just rerun it, so you can okay, so you can see this start, but a label is not printed out just because we need to put that on our root section. Okay, so how we can do that? So first of all, you need to just make that label here. You need to type it label here dot, and pack function has been inbuilt in this program in the Python, so that you can just pack it into your root section or into your Tkinter package. Okay, so this thing is really helpful. If I just rerun this program, okay, and now you can see this hello Tkinter is present here. Okay, so this thing, okay, so you can put it hello Tkinter. And now let's talk about button also. So let's just say that like that, if we are just creating label and the same thinking which is on button. Okay, so let's make this thing better. Button, and in the button you can see this is text. Okay, so text is equal to hey, and that's pretty much it. And we need to pack that up. So let me just pack it. So after every single button and label has been defined, you doesn't need to pack it here. You can just pack all the things to the end of this, but before to end of this program, but before the main loop. Okay, so I just set it out here. Okay, so let me just here, and that's it. Okay, so you can just now if I just run it, so now you can check this. Here is the hey, but here's the thing, if you wanted to first your label and if you want to do second thing is your button, then you need to pack that particular thing upper or bottom side which you really want. So I want first thing about on the upper side, which is label, and the next side, which is button. Okay, and if I just rerun it, so you can see this is hello Tkinter and this is hey. So it is a by default button. Okay, so we can change, we can modify a lot of things with the help of configurations. So let's do it in the next video. We are just talking about basic configuration settings in labels and basic configuration settings in button. Okay, so in the next video we are talking about something advanced part, which is label and button. Okay, so let's catch me up in the next one.